Do you want to grow purple cabbage at home, simple to care for, and high yield? Please watch this video of mine. I will guide you how to plant and fertilize step by step. If you find my videos interesting and meaningful, please like and subscribe to my channel. If you want young plants to grow quickly, they must be healthy. Therefore, the seeds I choose must be firm and old, and the seeds must be carefully preserved to grow young plants. After incubating, I will water the soil to create moisture for the seeds to germinate. To grow healthy plants, I use worm castings mixed with soil to grow plants. Now that the seeds have grown into healthy young plants, I will plant them in pots. I will plant one plant in each pot so that when the plants grow, they won't compete for space with each other. After planting, I will water the tree a little to create moisture for the tree to grow. When the tree begins to take root, I lightly loosen the top layer of soil to help the tree not be compacted and the roots develop easily. Dry tea regenerates the soil very well and also has many nutrients for plants to absorb. Now I will spread soil on top to help the tree hold more firmly and make the tree stronger. I watered the plant a little to help keep it moist. During this stage of plant growth, I will pull out weeds so they don't compete for nutrients with the purple cabbage. Kitchen waste has a very high nutritional content, so I will use ground kitchen waste to water the plants. At this stage, the vegetable plants begin to curl into clusters, so I will add worm castings to the base to help the plants absorb more nutrients. Vegetable plants always need moisture to keep them from drying out and withering. I continue to water the vegetables. Oh, it's amazing. With the way of planting and taking care of the roots, I have a very beautiful and big cabbage garden, beyond my expectations. Now we'll harvest them to cook and share with everyone to enjoy. If you find my videos interesting and meaningful, please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you everyone for watching my video. Goodbye and see you again.